Good to see you, everyone. I hope your day has started with a smile and a positive heart. May you enjoy good health, peaceful moments, and the confidence to keep improving your English every single day. Thank you for joining me for another lesson. Today, we are going to explore a place that is very personal and familiar. We will talk about my room. You will learn how to describe a room in simple and natural English. You will also hear useful words and everyday expressions that you can easily use in real conversations. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to describe your own room with more confidence. Before we begin, please subscribe to the channel if you enjoy learning English with us. Give this lesson a like if it is helpful. Share it with your friends and family who are learning English. Your support helps this channel grow and allows us to create more lessons for learners around the world. Now, let us get started. First, let me introduce you to my room. My room is not very large. However, it is bright, comfortable, and peaceful. It is the place where I study, relax, and spend quiet time every day. When I walk into my room, I always feel calm. Everything has its own place. That makes the room look clean and organized. The walls are light in color. A small plant sits in one corner. It makes the room feel fresh and welcoming. Here are today's first words and phrases. My room. Feel calm. Keep things organized. A quiet place. Feel comfortable. I especially like the phrase keep things organized. It sounds natural and shows a good daily habit. Let us say it once again. Keep things organized. It is a wonderful expression to remember. Next, let us look at my desk. My desk is near the window. It is simple, but it has everything I need. There are a few books on the desk. I also keep a notebook and several pens there. When I study English, I always sit at my desk. It helps me stay focused. I enjoy writing new vocabulary and practicing short sentences. Sometimes I spend an hour reading books there. Other times, I simply sit quietly and think about new ideas. A clean desk helps me study better. That is why I always put everything back after I finish. Here are some useful words and phrases. Desk. Study at my desk. Write notes. Stay focused. Finish my work. I really like the phrase stay focused. Native speakers use it very often. Let us hear it again. Stay focused. It is an excellent expression for both students and workers. After that, let us talk about my chair. My chair is very comfortable. It has a soft seat and a strong back. I spend quite a lot of time sitting there. Good posture is important when studying. Because of that, I always try to sit properly. Sometimes I read books. Sometimes I practice speaking English. Sometimes I draw simple pictures. No matter what I do, the chair helps me stay comfortable. Here are today's next expressions. Chair. Sit comfortably. Practice English. Read quietly. Sit properly. I think sit properly is a great expression. It is simple, healthy, and useful in daily life. Let us repeat it together. Sit properly. You will hear this expression in many English conversations. Next, let us move to the window. The window is my favorite part of the room. It lets in plenty of sunlight every morning. Fresh air comes into the room through the open window. I enjoy looking outside while I take a short break. Sometimes I can hear birds singing. Sometimes I watch the trees move in the wind. On rainy days, I enjoy listening to the sound of the rain. Those quiet moments help me relax and clear my mind. Here are a few more useful expressions. Window. Open the window. Fresh air. Take a break. Enjoy the view. I really love the phrase enjoy the view. It creates a beautiful picture in your mind. Let us say it once more. Enjoy the view. It is a lovely expression that sounds very natural. After that, let us talk about my computer. My computer is on my desk. I use it almost every day. I watch English lessons. I practice listening. I write emails. I join online meetings. I also search for new information when I want to learn something interesting. The computer is a very helpful tool. However, I remember to take short breaks. Looking away from the screen helps my eyes rest. Balance is important when using technology. Here are today's useful words and phrases. Computer. Study online. Search for information. Take short breaks. Learn new skills. I especially like the phrase learn new skills. It sounds positive and encouraging. Let us hear it one more time. Learn new skills. It is a fantastic phrase for lifelong learners. Finally, let me tell you why I love my room. My room is more than just four walls. It is a place where I learn new things. It is where I dream about the future. It is where I relax after a busy day. Every small object reminds me of happy memories. I believe that a comfortable room can help us feel happier and more productive. It does not need to be expensive. It only needs to feel warm, peaceful, and welcoming. Now, let us review today's lesson. We talked about a room and the things inside it. We learned the words desk, chair, window, and computer. We also practiced many useful expressions that you can use every day. Now it is your turn. Can you describe your own room in English? Where is your desk? Do you have a window? What do you usually do on your computer? What is your favorite place in your room? Try answering these questions with simple sentences. Little by little, your confidence will continue to grow. Thank you very much for learning with me today. I truly appreciate your time and your effort. Every lesson you complete brings you one step closer to speaking English naturally. If you enjoyed today's lesson, please subscribe to the channel. Give this video a like. Share it with your friends who are learning English. Your support helps more learners discover these free lessons. Take care of yourself. Keep practicing a little every day. Never stop being curious. I look forward to meeting you again in our next lesson. Have a peaceful and joyful day.